Alright, you guys, thank you guys so much for coming back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I clean my kitchen, and this is my current kitchen where I live right now. And yeah, so it's not that messy, but I feel like I will film this for you guys to see how I clean it up. So I'm going to just go ahead and throw some stuff away and do some dishes, and I'm gonna sweep and stuff like that. But yeah, look, check out my floorings are looking a little funky, but good thing, you guys, like as I mentioned, this is only a rented home. So yeah, you guys, don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you haven't already, and let's start with this video. Alright, you guys, so I am here cleaning my big, what is this called? I'm gonna call it table because I don't know what the correct word is, but I'm just using regular Lysol disinfecting spray and I'm spraying it. This is like so huge, like I can't even reach the other side, but I'm just using a rag just to clean it all over. But yeah, you guys, this is all I'm doing, and I'm gonna go ahead and go to the other side in a little bit. But yeah. Alright, you guys, so here comes the most boring thing ever, doing the dishes. I do have a dishwasher, but I don't use it. I just use it for storage. So yeah, this is what I'm doing right now. I'm gonna go ahead and just do all of these dishes. There weren't a lot, but I went ahead and I like to clean them by hand. But yeah, so that's my choice. And yeah, you guys, so let's keep on watching. Okay, so now I have to clean up all of this stuff. I am trying to convince my daughter to throw away these gingerbread houses, but she doesn't want to, so this is all I have to clean right now. Alright, you guys, so I totally forgot to film this little section that I was going to clean up and throw away all the gingerbreads, but I want to tell you guys that I was able to convince my daughter to throw away those gingerbread houses, which was super amazing, and I love her for that. But yeah, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what else I'm going to be cleaning in the kitchen and the rest of it, so keep on watching. I cleaned up all of my kitchen. I like this kitchen, like the size of it. I just don't like those silly floors, but it's okay. If I cleaned it up, I'm just leaving my dishes there to dry, and I just missed one because it needs to be cleaned. But yeah, it's super clean and I love it. I love a really fresh kitchen and it smells super good, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you guys so much for coming back, and thanks for all the love and support, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye.